As a healthcare professional, running your business comes with challenges. It's not easy to focus on serving your clients, managing your staff, and keeping up with the latest marketing strategies to grow your company. So how do you figure out which type of marketing can help your business the most and gain more clientele? Today's top expert in healthcare services marketing is here to show you some simple strategies that will bring more clients to your business.
The problem is that it's difficult for local weight loss consumers to know about all the different services and products out there, and then make the right choices tailored to their individual need. The good news is that it doesn't have to be difficult. As your viewers learn over time, the details about the various choices available to them. Our local consumers looking for weight loss are exposed daily to thousands of products, but soon find out that they didn't have all the information necessary to help them make the choices right for them. So how does a viewer leverage the power of online information and blogs like ours to help them make the right choices? Why don't we start with the basics, and in future sessions we can go deeper into each item. Number 1, making up their mind that they are going to do this, so it doesn't end up being a failure like many times before. Spending some time by themselves to decide that this is their new future self. Number 2, not to see weight loss as a drudgery, but a way of life where they are always in charge, slender, fit and healthy. Number 3, educating themselves through blogs like slendersplendor.com on what will work best for them, among a myriad of products to choose from. The expertise of slendersplendor.com is providing information to help your viewers and consumers make the right choices for themselves, and they focus on helping local consumers. For those that want to learn more, they can go to www.slendersplendor.com, where they can learn more about how to obtain the information, and also opt in for the best diets lose weight. As a weight loss specialty company in Los Angeles, California, and for all of USA, the company focuses on fast weight loss medicine, fastest way to lose lower belly fat. Weight loss doctor near me, in Los Angeles, California and around our country. Other weight loss consulting companies we find are not as cohesive as slendersplendor.com, which give the viewers an overall viewpoint and multiple choices tailored to each individual need. They make it simple, easy, and affordable for anyone too busy to spend the time to reach their weight loss goals faster and easier than they ever experienced before. They are happy to help because there are so many feeling, "I can't lose weight," or wondering about the best way to lose weight fast for women, best belly fat burner for men, and it gets confusing which way to go when faced with so many choices. They hope to make it easier for our community and bring information so they can sort out what is best for them. Next time we will discuss how to use drinks that burn fat while sleeping, best belly fat burner supplement, and best things to do to lose belly fat. This is just the beginning of how to take the reins into their own hands and start seeing the continuous improvement in their fit bodies. To learn more, the viewers can go to slendersplendor.com for valuable insights and to check our blog and recommended products, which can provide them the right information to turn fat into muscle in record time.
And there you have it. An informed approach can make all the difference. And now you have some great insights to be able to market your business more effectively. Are you ready to take the next step and start getting more business? Today's expert can be reached at the number on your screen. Feel free to contact them if you're looking for more great online marketing strategies. Until next time.